Meet Simon, the world's first AI risk manager that already saved companies over $5 million per year. I'm Alex, an award-winning Australian risk manager, and I want to replace myself and my team with AI. Simon isn't just another chatbot, it's a revolutionary multi-agent system with over 20 specialized AI agents working together like a world-class risk department. Our intelligent coordinator analyzes your problem and assigns the right agents to collaborate on solutions. My team uses it every day now. We assembled a team of senior risk professionals and developers to build Simon using cutting-edge technology. Bolt New automatically generated 90% of our code, letting us focus on the AI architecture. We integrated Superbase for our entire backend, qualifying us for the startup challenge. Netlify deploys our application seamlessly, entering us into the deploy challenge. We implemented Revenue Cat for subscription management, competing in the Make More Money challenge. And we secured our custom domain through entry for the custom domain challenge. Evaluations are key. So we rigorously tested our AI multi-agent against ChatGPT. Simon scored 9.5 out of 10 compared to ChatGPT's 6.6. This isn't just theoretical. Our agents have been used by over 17,000 times by more than 1,000 users globally. And one of the agents was a finalist in the 2024 European Risk Management Awards. We created a whole new user experience, additional agents, new AI architecture specifically for this hackathon. In 2019, I created Risk Awareness Week, the world's largest virtual risk management event with over 15,000 participants from 120 countries. Every participant will be onboarded to Simon, making us ideal candidates for the Standout Event Host's bonus prize. Simon represents sharpest problem fit imaginable. Risk management is a multi-billion-dollar industry still running on spreadsheets. We've packaged award-winning risk expertise into an accessible AI tool, creating a uniquely useful solution. Our creative use of AI goes far beyond simple wrappers. We've built an intelligent management system that coordinates specialized agents like a human team lead would. This is our inspirational story of turning crisis into opportunity, building technology that matters. With a proven $5 million ROI, award-winning leadership, and a clear path to becoming the autonomous operating system for corporate risk management, Simon has every ingredient of a future unicorn that investors will line up to fund. Thank you.